Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, there has been a widespread expectation among the public and in the press regarding government statement on industrial policy. Stop. I had given an indication that this statement would be presented to Parliament before the end of the current session. Stop. I am therefore happy, sir, to be able to place on the table of the House the statement on industrial policy. Stop. While doing so, I would like to take the opportunity to refer to some of the main features of the statement. Stanza. For the past 20 years, government policy in the sphere of industry has been governed by the Industrial Policy Resolution of 1956. Stop. While some of the elements of that resolution in regard to the desirable pattern of industrial development still remain valid, the results of actual policies in the industrial field have not been up to the expectations or declared objectives. Stop. The new industrial policy must therefore be directed towards removing the distortions of the past so that the genuine aspirations of the people can be met within a time-bound program of economic development. Stanza. A new approach is called for in several areas of our national life. Stop. This new approach should reflect not only our vast resources and special endowments, but should show particular concern for the utilization of these resources and endowments for the amelioration of the living conditions of the majority of our people. Stop. The main thrust of the new industrial policy will be on effective promotion of cottage and small scale industries widely dispersed in rural areas and small towns. Stop. For this purpose, an exhaustive analysis of industrial products has been made to identify those items which are capable of being established or expanded in the small scale sector. Stop. The list of industries which would be exclusively reserved for the small scale sector has been significantly expanded and will now include more than 500 items as compared to about 130 items earlier. Stanza. While the existing definition of small-scale industries will remain within the small-scale sector, special attention will be given to units in the tiny sector, namely those with investment in machinery and equipment up to rupees 1 lakh and situated in villages or in towns with a population of less than 50,000 according to the 1991 census figures. Stop. Schemes will be drawn up for making available margin money assistance. Stop. Government will consider introducing special legislation for protecting the interest of cottage and household industries with a view to ensuring that these activities which provide self-employment in large numbers get due recognition in our industrial development. Stanza. The focal point of development for cottage and small-scale industries will be taken away from the big cities and state capitals to the district headquarters. Stop. In each district there will be one district industries center. Stop. Under the single roof of the district industries center, all the services and support required by small and village entrepreneurs will be provided in the proper way. Full stop. Over.